36th European Neurology Congress 2023. Date April 24, 2023. Venue: Amsterdam, Netherlands. Theme: exploring the gray areas of neurological research. Keynote speaker: Dr. Maiwan Liu. Country: United States America. Talk title: Traditional Chinese Medicine Treatment for Lupus. Research interest: Neuroimmunology. Dr. Rafael Pilla. Country: Italy. Talk title: Therapeutic Ketosis and the Broad Field of Applications for the Ketogenic Diet. Ketone ester applications and clinical updates. Research interest: Neurology. Professor Monica Alba Hulo. Fuster. Country: United States America. Talk title: Measuring Vision-Related Quality of Life in People with an Early and Late Onset Visual Impairment. Research interest: Neuropsychology and Neurorehabilitation. Abstract submission deadline: 10th April 2023. Book your slot now.